Good day, everyone. I'm Pedro Ferdowsi Manong, and today we're going to look around into the ballistic laboratory. Actually, this is my first day here in laboratory, so I'm so excited to learn and gain more knowledge about the ballistics.
I do believe that here in ballistics laboratory, I can learn skills such as laboratory work and evidence analysis, and so on.
Laboratory work and evidence analysis, strengthening my ability to investigate crimes scientifically, interpret findings accurately, and contribute to fair evidence-based decision in my criminology career. A comparison microscope uses two link compound microscopes and an optical bridge to show the specimens side by side, as you can see. In a single field of view, along a direct comparison here of their microscope features.